Yes. Good evening,
Good evening,
everyone.
every.
Yes, Deeksha, you can take audio.
Yeah, good evening, everyone. I hope everyone is fine. Is everyone fine?
Yeah.
Uh,
Mm,
yeah.
yes,
Yeah. So, Purvik Gowda, how was your day?
it was nice.
It was nice. Yeah.
Yeah.
So let's continue our class. As we were learning website, I will share my screen. Yeah. Yeah. Is my screen visible?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, so as we were learning in last class, we learned about writing a content to our page. Uh, we will not write the content inside the navbar. We will just write it after the navbar. We will open a div tag called content, and there we will write our content. And this is our page right now, looking like this. So in today's class, we will learn how to do a login bar here. Actually, for the school website, it is not necessary for a login bar. When you create like the other websites, like the business websites or like the courses websites, where it requires a login page or a login block, you wanna create this. So let's see how to create a login bar. And in style css, as you know, in the last class we were discussing about padding left, margin top, and this was all taught for you in the last class. So yeah, let's start today's class. First, I will open a div class. Yeah. Yeah, so my login page will be inside the main, which is our uh, like the picture, the background image, but it will not be inside the navbar, as I said before. I'll open a div class equals form and close it. Then I'll give a h2 tag. H2, I'll write login here. Login here. Next, I'll give the input type. As you learned in the search bar, what is input class? Can anyone raise your hand to tell about what is input, or what should like input class mean? Any one of you? I want quick responses. Yeah.
Asking from the user.
Yeah, you are right. Yeah, it takes the input from the user. I want everyone to be active and answering the questions I ask you. Okay. The next question, what I ask, I should see many people answering. Yeah. So here we will give the input type. Uh, Input type will be first email. It will input type is nothing but what type the input should be. In the search bar, the input type, we will not specify input type because whatever the input type could be. And here the input type will be email, because whenever a login page is done where you should enter your email, there if you input other things, so the login page will not like take it. So we'll specify the input type as email only. And input type will be the email, and name. Name also I will give as the email itself. Then next we have placeholder. Can anyone say what is placeholder or where does it display?
Like inside the text box.
Yeah, you are right. So I see only Sohan answering. Yeah, yeah. Here for the search button, we have the placeholder as type to text. So in the web page, you can see here in the empty space, you see type to text, which means this is the placeholder. This is what we call the placeholder. And you see here type to text, right? That is whatever you give in this, like the placeholder, it changes. Like if I now cancel this one e and just save it, and if you check in the website, yeah, it changes. Here the placeholder is nothing but this space where it gives the information for the user what to do in that space. Here you could type to search. There is what called the, yeah. Yeah, here in the placeholder, I will be writing enter your email. Yeah, enter your email here. Yeah, after I enter the placeholder, the first thing, like the for the email, it will be done. Next, I will open another input type, because as you know, a form contains email and password and many more. Whatever the information you need, you can keep in a form, in a login form. That is what. Next input type will be the password. This password is actually for the, like when you're creating for the business purpose or for the courses purpose, there like the account which one person of the email has should not be leaked or anything. So they will have their own passwords. So to set that password, we will give another input type called password. Here the password, the person who is using it could give whatever password he wants for his account to be. That's what mean. Yeah, that is password. Yeah, the input type is password. Next, the name. Name also you can give us password only. Then for placeholder, can anyone say what should I type for the placeholder? Faster.
I think
Enter your
login.
password.
Yeah,
Enter
fine.
your.
Yeah. Enter your password. Sweet. Yeah. After that, I will just close it. Next, we will have button. The email is done and the password is done. That is what the basic thing we required. Whatever the other or further information you need, you can add, like input type and what type of input. Like you have different types of information what you want. You can just go on adding whatever you want. Here I will stop it still here, and next I'll open a button. Yeah. Button class. The button class will be, yeah, and the button class will be btn, and the button which I give will be, I will give a href. As you know, for any button, we use like it is a clickable button. So we always use a href tag to give it a feature of button. Whenever we keep a button, we have a search button in our web page, and we have home and some of the menus in our web page. All those menus are made up of href tag. Everywhere, wherever we want like a specific like a button type, we use a href tag and link it to the other files and just move on. And href, I will create a duplicate href without any linking one. And after that, I will write for the button name as login. Login. Yeah, fine. Yeah. So login is done. Next, I will write a paragraph class, and I will give the class as the link, and will give don't have an account. If you doesn't have an account, like you doesn't have an even the email account, so you can go through this, or you can just sign in. That's what is that. Yeah. Do not have an account, and I will create a BR. This one should be closed right here. Yeah. Don't have an account, and BR tag, and give another href. Yeah. I'll give another href and write sign in here. I'll just write sign in here. So in case if the person or the uh, if the person who is like doesn't have even an email account, he can just sign in here, and you can just sign in directly to the website through some different, like the for like for this one, if you give like this, when you're creating a proper login page, you wanna create another file, I mean, and link it to this, and just give all those sign in properties, or the sign in contents right there. Like whatever the sign in is, like the name, password, everything, you should just create another file and just give. Here we are specifying the password and email, so we will not go that too deep into this one, as everyone know how to link to the another file and give the like input type and all those things. You can try even doing like that also. Yeah. So after this, yeah, this one will be our HTML file thing. Let us see how it appears here. Yeah, you can see here we got all the contaminants. So let's edit all of this right here. It should look here. Let's do it. Let's go to our style.css and write our class name as form. Yeah. First we will give the width for the form. Yeah, width I will be giving 250 pixel. Yes, fine. Yeah. Next, we will give the height. Yeah. Height I will give 380 pixel. Yep. Next, position. Position will give absolute position. Absolute position is nothing but what the position I have specified through like the padding one top left. It will be those absolute positions. And next I'll give top. Top I will give minus 20 pixel. Just 20 pixel and see how it works. Yeah, you can see it is right very top. So let's change that 20 pixel to 60 pixel. And check if it comes down. Yeah, it came right here. We will bring it here through our codings. So yeah, after top, I will give the left padding. As you can see, it is at the left, and I will give the left padding as 870 pixel. So it completely comes this side. Yeah, so I'll give it as 870 pixel. Left padding. Left is so and 870 pixel. Yeah, you could see it just shifted from there to here. And I will give the top value pixel also a little bit down. So it occurs here. Yeah, give me a minute. Yeah, here I will give the top pixel still more down. It comes somewhere near the straight to the WeJump right there. Yeah. Uh, yeah, yeah. Let us give spacing right everything and just check if I want to increase or decrease whatever. Yeah, after the left padding and the top padding and the position, still here everything is clear for everyone. Is anyone having doubts or queries about anything?
No.
Yeah, I hear only one no. I want responses from everyone, okay? Yeah, Vedashree, fine. Trisha, fine. Others?
Yes, no doubts.
Yeah, then Lakshmi. Next. Who else has any doubts? Only three of them got. Sohan, Purvik, Nidish, Gokul, Chinmay, Jivita. Does anyone have any doubts?
No doubts.
Yeah. I want responses from everyone. Yeah, so border radius I will give as 10 pixel and padding I will give 25 pixel. Yeah, you can see the difference. Yeah. Next for the dot form H2. Yeah, so I'm specifying here H2 because as don't draw on the screen. Yeah, as you can see here, I have given the H2 as a login here. So here in style.css, I'm saying H2 to specify the this whatever the style I'm writing here is only for the thing right here, only for the thing like login here, only the thing which is in H2. I'm writing all my for like all the styles only for that. Yeah, after I write that, I will give the width of it. Width I will be giving 220 pixel. Don't draw on the screen. Jivita, Jivita, can you stop drawing on the screen? Yeah. Next, I will give the font family. Jivita.
Students, please don't draw on the screen. It disturbs others also while listening. Please listen to her carefully.
Yeah, next I will give the font family as whatever font family you like, you could give. And next I will give the text align. Where does the text should be? The text align I will give center. For the H2 tag, I have a login here. So the text align I have given is center. Then I will give the color for it. Color I will give orange. Yep. Next, I'll give the font size. Font size. Font size also I'll give 220 pixel. Next, font size, background color. Yeah. For background color, yeah, black I'll give. Next, after background color, border radius. Yeah, border radius 10 pixels, same as what I gave for the form. After border radius, I'll give the margin. Margin 2 pixel, it's enough. Margin 2 pixel. Next, to that, we'll give padding. Padding 8 pixel. Padding 8 pixel. And let's see. Let's change this. Only I have given coding for this login here. Let's see. Oh, it's too big. Font size is big. So let's change the font size. Font size. 220 pixel. Font size 22 pixel is enough. Got confused between width and font size. So yeah, you can see how it changed. Yeah. So let us give a background color for the form also. Background color, let us give aqua. Yeah, this is what it looks like. Then let us give coding for all these things. Just look at it. Yeah, after that, for the form input, we will give coding for a form input. For the form input, width, we'll be giving 240 pixel. Next, after width, I will be giving height. It has 35 pixel. Yep. Next, I'll be giving the background. I will now exactly now what you see is the background is like this. So I will give the background transparent. Background transparent. So it looks like this. Yeah. Can you see how it looks with the background? Transparent? Yeah.
Yeah.
For the I have given input, specified input. So in index page, I have given two inputs. So it applies for the both inputs, for the even the password box and for the email box. Both also you can see whatever the things or the styles I'm giving, it is applying for the both email box also and the password box also. Whatever I give will be entering for the both style, it will be styling for the both. Next, after background, I will give a border bottom. The bottom border will be giving as 1 pixel. And I will also give the color solid, and the color will be orange. And let's see. Yeah, you can see a slight change. There is a orange down one has changed to orange. Here you can give whatever the color you want, and you can give the padding more. So you will get the the border size you can give more, and you will get the color displayed. You can identify the color what you displayed, and border top right everything I will be giving none. Border top also none. Border top, border right none. Then we have border left also none. Border left also, I will give it as none. Then next after border right, border left, border right all. And next we have the color as it is optional for you. If you want to give the color you can give. I'm not giving the color right here. And I will give the font size. Font size I will give 15 pixel. Yes. Next, I will give the letter spacing. Yeah, letter spacing is nothing but the space between the each letter. I'll give it as 1 pixel. Yeah, after letter spacing margin top. Margin top, I will give 30 pixel. Next, I will be giving font family. Font family, and what do you like? Yeah, so the coding for the input is done, and let's see how it looks. Yeah. Can you see the difference, how it is looking after giving all the coding for it? The major changes was like the uh, border. We have not yet given any border, not at all given any border. So you could see there is no border at all. Only we have given border for the bottom one. Yeah, border bottom I have given as 1 pixel solid and the color. So you can see only that is visible. When you want a line like this, you make this changes in your website or wherever you want. And so you can make this changes. Next, letter spacing, as you know, it has spaced the each spacing of the each letter, and I have not given any color for my text. So there is no color. You can give if you want. Font size is 15 pixel. Letter spacing, margin top is 30. As you know everything. Yeah, fine. So next, for the form input, it is done. And next we have the placeholder. For the placeholder, yep. For the placeholder, what are the things we should do? You can give the color and font family for the placeholder. You can also give font size. Placeholder is nothing but the space is right here. That is what called the placeholder. Yeah, here I doesn't think I should make much changes there, as it is already looking good. I'll not give none color. I will not give font family. I will be giving none font family for that. Fine. Yeah. So next, we will go to BTNN, and our BTNN is login. Our BTNN is login. The button which we have right here. For this button, we'll be giving coding now. So BTNN.
Scroll down.
You want me to scroll down? Fine. Yeah. So BTN, we have width. Width I'll be giving 240 pixel, because it was looking too small, right? So if I give 240 pixels, so it increases. Yeah. Can you see? The width has increased, and we will also increase the height also. Width is nothing but the length like this. It has increased. Yep. So width. Next, we'll give the height. Height I will give 40 pixel. Yeah. It looks good. Yeah. This is how it is formed. Next, I give 40 pixel. Next, after width, height, background. Like the background, you can give whatever the color or whatever you want. Um, let's give orange itself and see how it looks. Let's give white. Yeah. Background, white. Border, none. I will give no border for this. Border none. If I give border none, can anyone say how does it look like? What the changes occurs as you?
The border will be not visible.
Yeah, wait. Yeah, if I give it like this, yeah, what the changes will be? The border will not be there, no? We'll save it first. Yeah, you can see there is no border, like any border is not there, as I gave the color background color, so it is looking like that. The white color which I gave here, the background color, the background, if I give none, then it would look like transparent. Yeah, you could see if I give no background color, it looks like this transparent. After that, I'll give the border none. Then margin top. Margin top I will give 30 pixel. 30 pixel. Then I will give the font size 18 pixel. Font size 18 pixel. Next, after font size, I'll give border radius. Border radius. Border radius will go 10 pixel. Yeah. Next, after border radius, I will give cursor pointer. This is nothing but when you like go right there, it should look like this. As you see, if I go here, all it is looking like an eye. But when I go near this, it should look like the cursor is pointing it. Yeah, that is what called cursor pointer. So after cursor pointer, you can, yeah, that's it for this. Yeah. Next dot. And let's give a hover effect for it. Can anyone say what is hover? HOVER, hover effect. As I given for the menus also I have given, and you have already thought what is it. Can anyone say? Can you come again?
It will change the color when it is touched.
Yeah, you're right. It like changes the color when the cursor goes right there. So the first background color for it will be white. After that, when it comes there, color will change to orange. Let's see. Yeah. Can you observe the color is changing to white when I come here? You can even like change the color if you want. Like you can also give other colors when it come right here. You can give other colors also. I've given white. Yeah. After however we have for the href tag which we have used, for that we will give the coding. Yeah. Text decoration will be none. Decoration none. Yep. Then we will give the color. Black. Then font weight. Can anyone say what is font weight? Can you hear me? Can anyone say what is font weight?
Font weight is the font size, what we mentioned.
Yes. Font weight is nothing but like bold, lighter, or whatever the like the thickness of the, we can say font weight as the thickness of the letters what we write. How much thickness we want, how much weight it must be. Like the more thicker you give, the more weight it gains. If you give the lighter, it looks thin. If you give more weight for it, the thickness of the letters increase. I will give bold and see. So the thickness will be considerably increased. Yeah, you can see it has increased the thickness. Yep. After that, yeah, we have our codings for font link. Wait a minute. Yeah, for this, do not have a account sign in here. For these things, we have the coding right now. Dot from link. Font family. Then after font family, font size. Font size 17 pixel. Okay. Next, we'll give the padding top. Top padding, I will give like 20 pixel. Yeah. Next, I will give the text align to the center and see how it looks. Yeah. Can you see it has changed? The first time it was not changed because I did not specify the class. Here you can see I have given the inside the div class form, I have given the another class for it as the link. So I just wanted to specify it is also a class by adding a class symbol for it. Fine. So after that we'll have coding for the uh, link anchor tag. Link anchor tag. For this, text decoration will be none, and the text decoration will be none, and the color will be orange. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, this for the form, the coding is completely done, and let's see how it looks. For this one also, we have given coding as you mentioned, A here. The coding which we have given here for this anchor tag, for the anchor tag. So let's see what changes occurs. Yeah, so this part coding is completely done. You can see if I .com. Then enter here a password. And if I click on login, it will log into the account or sign in here. As I said before, sign in here requires another file and requirements for it should be filled, like given the input things all, and it should be filled. This is a extra thing for the website which we create. For the school website, I doesn't think the login page should be. So you can just ignore this for the school website, but you should know how to create a login content or the login thing in your website what you have. So yeah, that's it for today's class. Does anyone have doubts in any thing of this much, like about the form? Does anyone have any doubts?
No.
Anyone in the styles? In the styles also you doesn't have any doubts?
No.
Yeah, so when you're creating your school website, I just want this login page to be submitted separately, not in your school website, like separately. You can do it and submit it. Like it is not necessary for the school website. So yeah, yeah, for the form one, you understood, right? I'll take out it for the. Yep. And I will give the font size of our content, increase it the font size of our content. Yeah. Font size will give 50. So it fills the whole page. And check my website. Yeah, this is how your main page should look like. And in the next class, I will be checking your website. Make sure to update these things, and you can also increase the font size of this region. Yeah, and in the next class, we will go through this one. We will know how to create a new file for this home and give styles and images and everything in our home page. This is our website, and we will learn in the next class how to give our different things inside the home page. When we click this home page, we will go to the another file, another page, and there we will have different things what we want right there. Yeah, we will learn that in the next class. That is what we will learn in the next class. Still that be update your website like this. It should look like this. And in the next class, I will be like asking you to display your website. You make sure update it. And this was about all class. I'll stop sharing, and make sure you also create a login page, but not inside your website. Like it is a separate one. You should create a login page and share it to me. Yeah, that's it. I'll stop sharing my screen. If you have any doubts, you contact me and I will be helping you out with any doubts you have. Yeah, that's it. Over to Savishima.
Yes, good one, Diksha. Did all understand the concept, students? We need the reply
Yes,
because,
ma'am.
yes, she has taken
Yes.
so much of effort to teach you all because she too has to go to school. Everything has to be done, but still she is taking her own time to teach you all. All have got it right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, and she has told you to do an assignment also. That creating the login page with the design, right?
Yeah.
Yes, without fail, you people have to do it. Okay. And any doubt, you can ask her, you can ask me, or you can ask Mahadev sir, anybody. Okay. But you have to cope up with all the things. You have to follow it up. Once you start designing, it is very good for your future also. You all know that. Okay. So any doubt for today? No? Yes or no? Any doubts you are having, students? No. Okay, then we'll wind up.
Okay, 1 second, madam.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you, Deeksha, for your creative teaching.
Welcome, sir.
Next class, all the PBC student try to create your website using HTML and CSS tags and show them in the next class. So especially for Gokul. Gokul is here from Bharat Mata School.
Yes, sir, I am.
Okay, so Gokul, Arkalagudu from Chinmayi. Chinmayi from Arkalagudu. Chinmayi is here. And Jivita NH from Pushpa School. You should show your website and explain it in the next class. Okay, if you have any doubts and any clarification means you can contact me or Deeksha or Savisli madam. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, thank you all. Good night.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Deeksha.